Hi everybody, Abel here from Technave. Today we're gonna do a brief unboxing and hands-on on the Samsung Galaxy A7. Let's check it out. Oh, it's open already. So we're already booked here. It's the phone. Ooh, blue, so pretty. What else? Here's a USB cable. This is a micro USB 2.0. We got earphones, charging cable. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna open this here. Throw away. Ta-da! So, Galaxy A7. This is the 2018 version. 3 cameras. As you can see here, the middle, it will be the 24 megapixel telephoto lens, followed by 8 megapixel wide angle lens, and the 5 megapixel, which is used for depth sensor. Oh, one more thing. This is the first Samsung phone to put this fingerprint sensor at the side here, so pretty cool, I guess. It's quite convenient. Okay, so this is how the user interface looks like. Nothing ordinary. It's pretty much standard. Thank goodness there's no notch here, so props to you, not Samsung. Thumbs up, like. And now we're gonna do a test on the camera. Oh, okay. So if you look closer here, you can see that there's the option for ultra wide angle and a normal mode here. So I'm just gonna do some test shots. Stay. This is the ultra wide angle photo that I just took, and here is the normal shot. Wait, oops. So here, this is the ultra wide angle shot, and right here will be the normal shot. You can see there's actually a difference. You don't need to move your phone so much. This is pretty great for outdoor shots when you're going to like some sort of adventure. You know, taking building shots especially because buildings are so big. This will be very useful. Right, so I just took another shot sample here. This is from my side, ultra wide and normal shot. You know, actually when I zoom in, the pixel quality isn't so bad. It will probably do much better in the outdoors, but because we're in the studio right now, so that's why it's like this. But you know, it's really not bad. And you know, same goes for the ultra wide pixels here. It's okay lah, not bad. I'm gonna try the fingerprint sensor too. Alright, I'm gonna register my fingerprint. It's pretty fast.
1 hour later.
There's a few more things to do. Alright, fingerprint ended.
2 hours later.
So let's try unlocking this phone. Is it on yet? No. Ta-da! Oh. Yeah, this is definitely convenient, which I kind of like also. Too bad this isn't on the Galaxy A9. A9 will be on the back here along with the 4 cameras. The phone is not released in Malaysia yet. It'll be revealed in November, so stay tuned for that. And we don't know the price yet, but stay tuned because we will probably be covering that. Okay, so that's all about the hands-on on the Galaxy A7 phone here. It also has a gold and a black model, so do check it out. See you guys next time. Bye!